Today, it's all about power rule. This is Dr. Esperanza and welcome to my Math in a Minute. In finding the derivative of a function, you need to make sure that you have mastered all your algebra fundamentals to be able to answer the problems similar to this one. For problem number 1, 2 over x can be modified into 2 times x to the negative 1. The derivative of that function is just negative 2 all over x squared. Instead of using quotient rule, modify your function into 1/3 x cubed, so the derivative of the function is simply x squared. Expanding your binomial will give you x squared plus 4x plus 4, and using the power rule, your derivative is 2x plus 4. You need to simplify your rational expressions, so your function will turn into 7 over 11 x squared, and taking its derivative will give you 14x all over 11. It may look so complicated, but if you know your constants, you know the derivative of problem number 5 is just 0. So in working with problems on derivatives, mastery of algebra is key. This is Dr. Esperanza, and this is my Math in a Minute. Bye!